Hello everybody, welcome to It's Me Vidu. So today we are seeing my HBX Dune Buggy Protector. So this is a off-road vehicle. You see how good the suspension is,
And it's
waterproof. Yeah, it's waterproof, and you could add a brushless motor, but this is not a brushless motor. So this is my $100 new RC car. So today we are doing a review of this. You have a spare tire. The suspension is really good in this.
But
Yeah.
most of the RC cars do not have a spare
Yeah,
tire.
yeah. This is an off-road car. It's waterproof. Yeah,
It costs
and
like $120.
yeah, and this is my controller. So this is how you turn here. This is acceleration, and this is the speed. So this could go up to 35 to 40 miles per hour. Yeah, his face changed. Could go 35 to 40 miles per hour, and you have actually so much spare parts in this. And that's like I
love
think
this part. It's so satisfying.
I know. That's like one. This car could go like for 1 hour. The batteries are pretty big in this. Yeah. The speed and stuff. Yeah. This is the max. This is the lowest. So now we are gonna start.
Let's do the max first.
Okay.
Let's actually do the lowest first and
I
then
give it a 10 out of 10 in off-roading. So I'm gonna do this is the slowest.
Oh shit.
Oh, the suspension is very good in this. So now we are going to do the highest.
That's it.
Wait. Okay, yeah, good. Be ready for this. Oof. Oh.
A spare. Shit. Oh my god. You saw that, didn't you? Oh.
So you see how good is the off-roading test? So now we are gonna see. Could you see this big bump there? The big bump. Yeah. So we're gonna see if it could go in there.
It probably can. Oh! You see the mud right there? It's like flu.
Oh. Like I said, I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10 in off-roading. Yeah. So we're gonna get it down these steps.
Let's try. Let's see. Go slow. Oh!
So let's try if it could go up the steps.
No, it can't.
Yeah, I don't think it could. Oh, it can't.
It could have.
That's impossible.
Let's get it back up.
Let's try it here. Let's try it there. Oh, it made it.
Oh.
It's just oh my god.
The motor's really cool.
I know.
And it's really good. Like the speed, 30 to 30, 30 to
35
40.
to 40 miles.
It's faster than your electric scooter.
Yeah, let's do a race. Akira versus the car.
That's impossible.
That is. Let's do that. Okay. That the end is the finishing line. Yeah. Wait. Oh my god. Okay. In 3, 2, 1, go. Oh yeah, the car won. Oof, the car tipped over. I know. The car tipped.
Wait, rock test. No.
You have different models in these cars and different colors. I bought this in Amazon and it's really good. Yeah, so then tuned for my other videos and see you in the next